Hello everyone and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I am here with my granddaughter Sophia and she's making all of my thank you cards for the ones that ordered from me in October because as you can see I had the surgery on my hand, so I am one-handed. So Sophia came over today and I said, hey, can you help me?
And I said yes.
And she said yes. So she has been busy making this month's, well, it's October's thank you cards. So we used the Splendid Autumn Designer Series paper to create our cards. She did all the cutting, all the stamping, all the punching for Grandma, and I'm just kind of here supervising. So if you ordered from me in October, you'll be getting a beautiful card from Sophia in the mail. So, what do you think? They're all different colors, pretty nice?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
The blue.
The blue? Really? I thought you were a purple girl. That's the blue.
I like the purple and the blue.
Purple and the blue? So she has been doing an awesome job.
And we had to make 12 cards.
Yes, we had to make 12 cards. So she has been busy because she's been cutting and she's been punching. And I taught her how to use the cutter and the scoring blade. And she has been having fun. You love Grandma's supplies, don't you?
Yeah, I
do. Grandma set you up at your house with a little crafting area, didn't I? You got your own little craft spot. And I made a little craft spot for Gigi. Yep.
Gigi's my little sister.
Yep. Gigi's coming in. Hi, Gigi. You want to come over here and say hi?
Hi.
This is Giselle, Sophia's sister. And they came to visit Grandma today. And then Grandma put Sophie to work.
That's funny.
You didn't know you were going to be working for me today, did you?
No, I did not.
Ah.
Why making cards?
I send thank you cards to the people that ordered from me. And so these are all the people that ordered in October. And so Sophie's making the cards for me to send out. So they'll get one of these cards handmade from Sophie in the mail. Pretty nice. Yeah. So what do you think? Should we sign off? Grandma don't know what to do with her arm.
I'll help you, Grandma. And that's you?
Yeah, you too.
Okay, we are done.
Sweet. Thank you so much, Sophia. And I know all the ladies that get one will think they are special. And they will thank you as well. So that is it for today, guys. That's what we were doing today. I hope you got a little stamping time in. But that is it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Say bye, girls.
Bye.